What's going on, guys? Swank here with a short tutorial. So I was trying to help out a buddy earlier, and with Twitch panels and Twitch extensions, and I was trying to look for a good YouTube video on the panels and extensions. And what I was seeing, like the recommended ones, the one that I was finding the recommended, they were all using the old Twitch channel overlay. So I was like, you know what, this is a good opportunity to make a new video using Twitch's updated channel interface and the new little areas that they have, like all the different ways to edit your channel. So here's a little short tutorial on that. So normally when Twitch had your channel, you go to your channel and you saw the big video with the chat on the right side, and you scroll down and you see your panels and edit your panels and all that stuff. Like, it's still there, but it's a little bit different. So if we go to our channel, logged into Twitch, go up to your icon there, your user icon, go to channel, and so now here is the new layout. You've got maybe your latest video up at the top there, or your channel trailer. You can make a trailer now and put that there. I haven't done that yet, but you can do that. And so now when you scroll down, you see people's recent broadcasts, what they've been streaming lately, what streamers they suggest, and it's not like it was before. So to edit your panels, you can either go to the About tab right here, click the About tab, and there is your About information, your links. Scroll down and you will see your panels. And to edit your panels, you just come over here where it says Edit Panels, click on the little whatever that's called, little checkbox icon, and then you can go down and edit your panels. Keep scrolling and there's like a little plus icon in this big section here. Click that, and this is where you can add a new text or image panel. Right now I've used up all 3 of my panel extensions, and I'm not 100% sure if you can add more than 3. I'm not sure. I think maybe you can add more. I'm not sure. So here are your panels. You can move them around the way you want them. If you make the window smaller, it gets down to 5 panels wide, down to 4, down to 3, and you can kind of adjust them the way you want them. So here's the different panels, and then you can edit your panel title. I think that shows right above, if we do merch here, submit, that load, unedit, and then right there it puts a little title there above your panel. So I don't need that for that, so we'll just remove that. Then I've got different images there that link to donate to Streamlabs, my Twitter link there, subscribe link, and just then the text that goes underneath the image you can see there. So yeah, that's the basic thing for edit panels. If you want to add new extensions, let's go to edit panels, go down to here. Actually, no, sorry about that. Don't edit panels. You want to for the extensions, you want to go up to your user icon and go to your creator dashboard. I'll open that in a new tab here. Go down to extensions, and here are your extensions. This is where you can get I've got the Streamlabs stream schedule. I've got what else do I have here? My emotes, my subscriber emotes. I've got this cool Stream Elements cheers leaderboard, which is really cool to show, and all those different extensions that you can use. And so once you find what you want, you can click install, and then that adds it to your list. If you go to my extension up here, there's a list on the left hand side here of the installed extensions that you have, but they're not active yet. The ones that are activated here on the right hand side, you've got panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. And those panels, if you go back to your edit panels area, you can see that I've got like my Streamlabs stream schedule. This is panel extension 1 of 3. This leaderboard is 2 of 3, and this other one's 3 of 3. So you can move them around the way you want them. And like, let's say we want to get rid of the stream schedule, my Streamlabs stream schedule. We'll actually, let's see, deactivate right there. It'll put it over here on the left hand side, so you can use it for later. And now you have only panel 2 and 3. So if you have a different extension that you want, you know, maybe you find one that, you know, works for you, it looks really cool, and maybe like AI voices here, let's install that. Once you install an extension, it'll probably ask you to configure it, because there's a lot of settings that go with you know, your extensions. You probably have to hook them up to, maybe like there's a Destiny 2 one here, you have to hook it up to your Destiny 2 account. Borderlands 3, that hooks up to that also. But so I've got my AI voices over here on the left hand side. If we want to make that a panel, we're going to come down here, set as panel 1. Done. Now it's panel 1. Let's go back to our channel page, and we'll refresh that, and that should be right in there. There it is. There is our AI voice extension. So that's kind of how you add extensions to your panels. And the other thing that I noticed, how with like Twitch's updated like channel interface area, if you want to go back to the old channel interface, right here where it says chat, click chat. This puts you back to the old interface with like your like offline image, and then like your most recent video, chat over here on the right hand side. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see your about section, and then the place to edit the panels also. So you can come in here, edit your panels, and that's about it. So let's remove that one. Let's see, we got panel extension 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and then we want to add another one. Let's do extension panel, extension manager. That'll open up the extension page, and we want that to have the Streamlabs stream schedule, activate, set as panel 1, I think that was. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, panel 1, 2, and 3. So let's go back to our channel, the old channel overlay. Let's refresh that. And here are our panels. So that's good there. I don't have a schedule, need to. But also with your panels, you can click and drag them to where you want them. It was a little different. I don't think it disappeared before. Might be something Twitch is working on, I don't know. But that's kind of just a quick way to edit your channel panels, and also how to add new extensions and add them to, you know, the different panel extension overlay, like the panel extensions 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 2 of 3 of 3, and all that. So that's about it, guys. Let me know if this video helps. I know that when I first saw the new overlay, the new channel interface area, I was kind of confused at first, but once you start clicking around and trying out things, you can see where they are, and it's just kind of a little bit something extra Twitch did. So that's it. I'll see you guys at the next stream. Peace.